Slow cooker pork pad thai using Thai tamarind paste is surprisingly easy to make in a slow cooker. You can cook small meals in a large slow cooker by using an oven-safe bowl. We do this because when the bowl isn't full enough, the food cooks faster, driving off the liquid and risking burned results. Let's get started cooking. First, we're going to bloom those aromatics simply by microwaving in that same oven-proof bowl you're going to put into your large cooker. Now add your liquids and the tamarind paste. We're going to use boneless, country-style pork ribs. You're going to season them and then nestle them right into that braising liquid. After 6 hours of braising, we're going to shred the pork with 2 forks, nestle those noodles right into that remaining sauce, and let them simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Add that pork back in, and now let's put in all those finishing touches. Let's start with the scallion greens and the bean sprouts, and then we're ready to plate. This slow cooker pork pad thai is so easy. The pork is succulent, and the noodles, because we add them at the end, soak up all those bold flavors of the tamarind sauce. I've put the link to the recipe below. Make sure to check it out. Thanks! Oh, and please subscribe to my channel.